Here's how to verify your identity with the Crypto.com app. When prompted to complete identity verification, select your identity card if you're using it as your photo ID. This will open the third-party identification app used to verify your identity. First, allow camera access so you can take photos of your ID. Position the front of your ID within the on-screen boundary, and the app will automatically capture the photo. Then, take a photo of the back of your ID. If either photo is blurry or unclear, you can retake it. Next, you'll be prompted to record a short selfie-style video of your face. The process is similar to setting up Face ID on an iPhone. Follow the instructions shown on the screen until the verification is complete. Once finished, you'll see a green check mark confirming that the step has been completed. After that, you'll be returned to the main Crypto.com app, where you'll see a notification that your information is under review. The approval process usually takes just a few minutes, after which your account should be ready to use. That's all for this video. Thanks.